Hey guys, Keith here, and welcome to beer review number 10. Today we have Mad River Brewery's Steelhead Extra Stout. As a stout fan, I'm really looking forward to this one here. As far as the ratings go, Rate Beer gives it a 97 overall and a 98 on the style, and Beer Advocate gives it a 91. So, not too bad. It's got 6.5% alcohol by volume, so it's not too big. A little bigger than something like a Guinness Extra Stout, which I'm pretty fond of those, so this one ought to be a treat. So let's go ahead and get it open and see what we have. Alright. Very, very little hiss on the opening. So, let's see. Got a really dark head to it. It's looking really nice in the glass. It's a lot better than I thought it would. It's a really dark head. Alright, let's get a nose on it. Alright, it's got a little coffee on the top. It's got some nice sweet chocolate notes. Yeah, maybe a little hoppy. Little hops going on in there. But mainly, it's the mild roasted coffee and a little bit of roasted chocolates going on. Smells really good. This came in a build your own 6-pack, so it's $9.99 for a 6-pack of just mixed brews, and this was in there. They had a few of them, so not a bad price. So let's go ahead and get a taste on it and see just what we have here. Well, it's really nice. A little coffee, a little roasted malts, a little chocolate. It's kind of a bold coffee too. It's really very nice if you're a stout fan, and I would say it's maybe as far as the taste is concerned, it might even be a step above something like the Guinness Extra Stout. It's got a little more flavor going on in there than I remember from the Extra Stouts. I'll definitely pick up another Extra Stout and bring it to the channel and review it, and we'll see just what the differences are between them. But very pleasant drinking stout. No alcohol. I'm sorry, Extra Stout. Very creamy. Very nice mouthfeel on this one. Let's see what kind of light we get through it. Or let's see if it's pitch dark. And it is pitch black. No light at all coming through this one. Yeah, it's black as can be. I can't see any light from where I'm at, and can't see any on the camera. It is black as can be. Very fine Extra Stout here. Very impressed. So, with a lot of your Guinnesses, you will see the ruby tinges on the outskirts of the beer. But this one is black. Very very thick, full-bodied, nice quality beer here. Very happy with this one. This might be a go-to as far as stouts are concerned. Yeah, it's got a little bit of maybe some dark fruit notes in there, but it's not much. It's mainly just a little bit of coffee, a little roasted coffee, a little roasted chocolate. Very nice, very good, good stout. Definitely perfect, perfect style on this one. This is what I would call an extra stout. It's met all the criteria that I would require. So very impressed. Very nice one. So we're going to let it warm up now. Probably smoke a little bit of this Granddaddy Purp, and we'll see what we have once it warms up. So we'll be back with you. Alright guys, we're back and it's had a chance to warm up now, so let's get a nose on it and see what we have. Alright, it's a little more subdued now. It's got a little bit of chocolate notes going on, maybe a little bit of molasses, a real sweet molasses smell going on there. A little malty. Can't really smell the coffee or the hops anymore. Maybe a extremely faint hint of alcohol on the nose. But it still smells pretty good. So let's take a taste and see how it tastes. Well, it's not bad. It's still got some coffee on the taste. A little bit of chocolate. Still got the malts in there. So it's pretty well retained its taste throughout this time of maybe 20-25 minutes. The smell has changed a little bit, but the taste is still pretty much the same. Really pleasant, no real alcohol going on. You've got a little bit of coffee, a little bit of chocolate, your slight malts going on. A little bitter on the finish. Still very pleasant. Very nice extra stout. This Mad River Brewing Company's Steelhead Extra Stout. Definitely a very good one. Would definitely recommend picking one up if you're a stout fan. Certainly worth trying, for sure. Definitely impressed, and on a rating on this one, probably going to go with a 9.5, so a 95% on this one. Very happy, kind of a median ranged extra stout. It's definitely not your average extra stout, but it's not, it's not world class, but it's not far off from it. So very impressed. Perfect amount of alcohol. Great on the warm up, great when it's cold, so pretty much any time you can enjoy this one. So I guess that's going to go ahead and wrap this one up, and I'll just catch you on the next one. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, share, and all that good stuff, and I'll just see you on the next one.